Thanks for joining me at coachinglaw.com. As part of these stories, I should say that the names, facts and circumstances of each case or story have been changed. My talks are from an English law perspective only and are just my views, and so none of the information provided should be relied upon by you. If you have any issues or problems, then you should see your own lawyer or solicitor. And if you don't have one, then you can email me at jimmy@coachinglaw.com and I might be able to point you in the right direction. Having said all that, I hope you enjoy this video. Welcome to this video. Every week there seems to be some kind of data breach. The story seems to be very familiar. Big company holds a lot of personal data. Hackers or someone else have got unauthorized access to the personal data. The company does not know who has done it or where the personal data is or how it has been used, but investigations are taking place. Often, the company's CEO or senior representative appears on the TV or radio to reassure customers that the company is doing all they can to rectify the position. There then follows some kind of PR exercise and advertisements to ensure that customers are not so spooked that they leave the company and join competitors. During 2018, I've been advising a lot of companies on data breaches. One thing that I've found surprising from the IT experts that do the investigation is that often the hacker was on the system for many months before the data breach was detected. And during that period, the hacker had been looking around the system and gathering information before striking, rather than striking straight away. At IT security conferences that I've spoken at and which I've attended, I've often heard the quote, "It's not a question of if a company is going to be hacked, it is simply a question of when." If this is the case, then many companies might consider a data breach plan. Essentially, this is a plan that is already prepared so that if and when a data breach happens, then everyone in the organisation can spring into action regarding what needs to be done. This reminds me of when I went to a talk by the RAF pilots who said that they spend hours thinking and talking about what might go wrong when flying jets and what a pilot should do in any one of these circumstances. Then, if the thing happens, the pilot doesn't have to figure out what to do at 500 miles per hour, as the team have already thought about that issue, and so the pilot can spring into action in order to remedy the problem. Likewise, things that companies might do when dealing with a data breach is to have a data breach plan in place already, which is regularly updated. This could have details of, number one, which staff internally are responsible for what. 2, who should be notified, PR consultants, insurers, lawyers, IT experts, and also any regulators. 3, contact details for everyone to be contacted straight away rather than having to scramble around trying to find out who to contact and what their details are. 4, customer assistance, including examples of, for example, helplines and websites for worried customers if they have any questions or queries. Putting together a data breach plan can seem like it's being overcautious, but any organisation that is dealing with data should consider this seriously and put it to the top of their priority list, because we seem to see this in the news every week.